Hello, hello everybody. Today I have given a lecture on study of electrical, structural and gas sensing characteristics of mixed binary oxides TiO2 H2MO3 IN2O3 H2MO3 thin films prepared by spray pyrolysis technique. My guide is Dr. Arun Vittal Patil, Research Center in Physics, MSG College, Malegaon Camp, District, Nasik, Malegaon. In this research work, first of all, literature survey has been taken, and in this literature survey, first of all, I will concentrate on deposition methods of thin films. There are different deposition methods of thin films. The classification is as follows: physical vapor deposition, that is PVD; chemical vapor deposition, that is CVD; solution based chemistry method. In PVD, further divided into different classes: thermal evaporation, pulsed laser deposition, molecular beam epitaxy, splitting DC and RF, chemical vapor deposition CVD, again further classified in different way: metal organic, that is CVD; low pressure CVD; atmospheric pressure CVD; plasma enhanced CVD. Solution based chemistry SBC further classified in different way, that is chemical bath deposition CVD, sol gel method, spin coating, dip coating, screen printing, and that of spray pyrolysis. And I choose the spray pyrolysis technique for the synthesis of that binary and pure thin films. In this particular research work, the characterization of that thin films, XRD, that is X-ray diffraction, plays important role. And here the particular XRD working principle is explained diagrammatically. The particular thin films, from one side beams are emitted on that thin films, and that particles on that thin films diffracted that beam, and using this particular method that we consider theta, that is d sin theta, and this is the working principle of this X-ray diffraction. Using X-ray diffraction, the different XRDs for that TiO2 films are shown in this particular slide, and obviously the films taken into account for the pure titanium oxide, for the normality 0.1, 0.2, 0.3 normality, and resistivity is measured. Then grain size, average particle size, and sensitivity for the particular gas ethanol is taken into account. And here it is observed that for 0.1 normality TiO2 thin films, resistivity is 5.250 ohm into 10⁻³ ohm meter. Grain size observed that 3 nanometer, and average particle size is observed 75 nanometer. Sensitivity for ethanol gas is 59.09%, and for 0.2 normality resistivity is 4.60 grain size is 4 nanometer, average particle size is 110 nanometer, and sensitivity is 55.5%. For 0.3 normality TiO2 thin films, resistivity is 1.498 ohm meter, grain size is 5, average particle size is 145, and sensitivity is 50% is observed. That means each TiO2 thin films are sensitive for that ethanol gas. That is, the TiO2 thin films can be used as ethanol sensor. In the next slide, I want to explain the principle of SEM, that is scanning electron microscopy. The particular diagram shows how that scanning electron microscopy is work, and here obviously this scanning electron microscope is used for that characterization of TiO2 thin films or for the different thin films. Again, I thank you very much. Thanks once again. Thank you.